I am showing you how you can view 3D animals on Google. So let's get started, but before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. Firstly, go to your phone home screen and from here open your Google app. After that, tap on the search bar and then here you can simply search any of the animal that you want to see their 3D view. After that, go to your results and after that scrolling down here you can find this box where it is saying that meet a life-sized African lion up close. So simply tap on the view in 3D to get the 3D view of that animal. Then it will load for some time and it depend on your internet speed, so wait for some time. After that you can see the 3D view of the that animal. So you can see the 360 view of that animal by simply dragging your finger. You can simply see that animal. You can move your fingers as you want to see that animal, and then you can get a panoramic view of that animal. So that's how you can do that. You can also hear the lion roars in this case. So that's how you can do that. You can also explore more option in the bottom. You can also explore more option by dragging this box, and here you get more animals that you can also explore in the 3D view. So that's how you can do that. You can also click on any of the specific animals that you want to get in the 3D view, and then it will take some time for loading, and then you can also get the 3D view of that particular animal. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.